Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will solve this algebraic expression, and the problem here is x over y plus z plus y over x plus z plus z over x plus y, that is equal to 1. Then we'll have to find the value of x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z plus z square over x plus y. So friend, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to give thumbs up to the video. Now let's start the video. Here we'll have to make this x into x square and denominator remains same, the y plus z as it is, y plus z, and likewise y to y square and z to z square. For making this term into square form, we'll have to multiply with the both hand side with x plus y plus z, then we'll get x square, y square and z square form. So likewise we'll multiply x with this term, that is x plus y plus z, that is divided by here y plus z, y plus z plus here with y will y, and x plus y plus z, that is divided by x plus z, x plus z. Now with z times x plus y plus z, that is divided by x plus y here, x plus y. Here we have multiplied left hand side with x plus y plus z. So likewise in the right hand side 1 multiplied by x plus y plus z. Now in the first term we will multiply x with x, that is x square. So we will write x square over y plus z, y plus z plus likewise the second term xy over y plus z, and the third term the plus xz over y plus z, plus here these two terms, this yx or xy, we write xy over x plus z plus y square, so we write y square over x plus z plus here y and z, that is yz over x plus z. Now the third term, that is z and x, we write xz over here x plus y. Now z and y will write yz over in the denominator x plus y. Now z and z square, so we write plus z square over x plus y, that is equal to here, and here multiplying 1 with x plus y plus z, it will be x plus y plus z. Now from these expressions we have got x square over y plus z here, so here we will have to make in the form of x square over y plus z. So the first term is here, and now second term, that is y square over x plus z, y square over x plus z, and z square over x plus y, z square over x plus y. So we'll write these first three terms, that is x square over y plus z plus here the y square value, that is y square over x plus z plus z square over here, z square over is x plus y plus, and now after that we'll write the same value denominator value, that is y plus z over here y plus z. So we'll write xy divided by y plus z plus here xz over y plus z. After that x plus z in the denominator, x plus z and x plus z, that is plus xy over x plus z plus yz over x plus z plus, so after that x plus y in the denominator, these two terms means xz over x plus y plus this term yz over x plus y, that is equal to in the right hand side x plus y plus z, So likewise we'll write these three terms first, that is x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z square over x plus y plus, now from these two terms the denominator is same, and from the numerator we can take x common, so we can take x over y plus z common. So here we have taken x over y plus z, and remaining will be y here and z here. So y plus z is remaining. So we have taken here x over y plus z common. So likewise, from these two terms we can take y common, y in the numerator, and in the denominator x plus z. So we'll write plus from these two terms y over x plus z common, and the remaining will be here x plus z. So x plus z plus, now from these two terms we can take z from the numerator and x plus y from the denominator. So z over x plus y. So in the numerator there will be x plus y. X plus y, that is equal to x plus y plus z. Now we'll simplify here. If we look at here y plus z in the denominator and numerator, so we can cancel this, likewise x plus z and x plus z and x plus y and x plus y. So here we can write, that is x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z square over x plus y plus, here we have x plus y plus z. So we can write x plus y plus z, that is equal to x plus y plus z. So here in the left hand side and right hand side, x and x gets cancelled, y and z and z. So in the right hand side we have now 0, so we have write 0. So likewise we'll write the value over here, we'll write it here, that is x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z here, and z square over and plus z square over x plus y, that is equal to, in the right hand side we have 0, that is equal to 0. So here we have calculated the value of x square over y square over x plus z and z square over x plus y, that is equal to 0. This is our answer. So friend, how my video is? Give your precious comment in the comment box. If still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.